Good morning to all. This is Sahadeep Singh. I am here to represent our group presentation report, which is on the topic 5G wireless technology. We are total 4 members. So, this is a mind map of our whole group presentation report. As you can see, we cover 4 major topics of the 5G wireless technology. So let's start with the introduction. As you know, 5G is a fifth generation of mobile network and it is a new global wireless technology after 4G. 5G promises faster data rate, lower latency and improved reliability as compared to 4G network. We will cover key aspects including network architecture, services, application, security and privacy, standards and regulations, and its impact on industry and society. Key technologies such as small cells, beamforming, millimeter wave, natural slicing, and edge computing are integral to 5G. By the end, you will have a better understanding of 5G and its potential to revolutionize our lives. In order to provide significant higher data rates, lower latency, and reliability as compared to 4G networks, 5G utilized the combination of design principles and new technologies. 5G network utilize new technologies like small cell instead of large cell towers. Small cells are placed in a various locations to provide coverage in areas where traditional network struggles like indoor and high density areas. This design results in better coverage and improved performance for 5G networks. Another important technology of 5G network is beamforming. 5G beamforming works by transmitting signals in a specific direction, which allows the network to focus its energy in the area where it is needed the most, resulting in a stronger signal. This approach helps to reduce interference and increase the capacity of the network, allowing more devices to connect at the same time. Additionally, beamforming helps to conserve energy, which is especially important for small battery powered devices. By directing signals only where they are needed, these devices can conserve power, increasing battery life and reducing the need for frequent charging. Another benefit of beamforming is that it can help to overcome the limitation of traditional networks in challenging environments. For example, beamforming can be used to penetrate walls and other obstacles, making it possible to provide coverage indoor and in other challenging environments. This is especially important as more and more devices become connected and the demand for reliable high-speed mobile network continues to grow. Another essential technology that 5G network use is millimeter. 5G networks utilize millimeter wave technology to deliver high data rates. It operates on high frequency bands between 30 to 300 GHz. However, millimeter waves have limited range and are susceptible to interference. That's why they are typically used with small cells and beamforming in specific areas to provide high speed data services. Millimeter waves technology is an important component of 5G network and enables high speed data services in areas where it is needed the most. Now let's talk about network architectures. 5G network employ new architectures like network slicing and edge computing to enhance performance. Network slicing creates virtual networks within one physical network, each with unique characteristics, improving network efficiency and flexibility. Edge computing, on the other hand, processes data closer to its source, reducing latency and improve response times. This allows 5G networks to deliver faster and more responsive services, providing a better user experience. Network slicing and edge computing are key innovatives that are transforming the way 5G networks are designed and operated, helping to unleash the full potential of 5G technology. Now, I would like to hand over this presentation to my colleague who will discuss the next aspect of 5G technology. Thank you for your attention.
My topic is 5G services and applications. 5G networks are designed to enable a wide range of services and applications that were not possible with previous generations of mobile networks. Some of the key services and applications that 5G networks will enable include: first, enhanced mobile broadband. This service is designed to provide users with significant high data rates and better converge, which will enable new use cases such as high definition video streaming, virtual reality, and augmented reality. My second topic is ultra reliable low latency communications and critical communications. Firstly, I explain about ultra reliable low latency communication. This service is designed to provide extremely low latency and high reliable, which will enable new use cases such as autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, and industrial control system. Secondly, I explain about critical communications. This service is designed to provide secure and reliable communications for critical infrastructure such as public safety and emergency services. My third topic is mobile edge computing, in which I explain about mobile edge computing with definition. First, 5G networks bring the ability to process and analyze data at the edge of the network closer to the end user. This will enable new use cases such as low latency gaming, augmented reality, and industrial control systems. In my fourth topic, I explain about massive machine type communications, in which I explain about massive machine. This service is designed to support a large number of devices that are connected to the Internet of Things, such as sensors and actors. Massive machine type communication will enable new use cases such as smart sites, industrial automation, and remote monitoring. Now I hand over this assignment to the third member of our group assignment, Harmanpreet Kaur.
My name is Harmanpreet Kaur. My student ID is 30409901. Today I am going to represent 5G security and privacy. As the 5G networks are designed to support a wide range of new services and applications, security and privacy are becoming an increasingly important. 5G networks will be used to support critical infrastructure and such as the public safety and emergency services, as well as the personal and business applications such as e-commerce and banking. Therefore, it is essential that 5G networks provide robust security to protect against potential threats. End-to-end encryption. The 5G networks use end-to-end encryption, which is a method to secure communication that encrypts data at the source and decrypts it at the description, providing an extra layers of protection to the data while it is transmitted over the network. This ensure that the data remains protected even if it is intercepted by an unauthorized party. This method is encryption, a law for the protection of sensitive data such as the personal and financial information by making it unreliable to anyone except the intended recipients. SDN and NFB. Another important security features of a 5G networks is the use of software defined networking and network function virtualization. SDN and NFB allow for the separation of the control planes and the data planes in the network, which make it easier to manage and secure the network. Privacy is also an important consideration for the 5G network. 5G networks will be generated and collected a large amount of data which could be used to track users and their activities to protect user privacy. 5G networks use various mechanisms to ensure that personal data is collected, stored, and used in accordance with legal and regulatory requirements. These include mechanisms such as data minimization and data de-identification and data retention policies.
The impact on industry and society. The introduction of 5G technology is expected to have a significant impact on various industries and society as a whole. Some of the key areas that are likely to be affected include mobile broadband. 5G networks will provide faster and more reliable mobile broadband services, which will enable new services and applications such as virtual and augmented reality and support for the Internet of Things. Healthcare. Healthcare 5G networks will enable the use of telemedicine, which allows for the delivery of healthcare services remotely. This will allow for better access to healthcare for people living in remote or underserved areas and will also enable the use of technologies such as virtual reality and robotic to improve the quality of healthcare. Entertainment and economic growth. Entertainment 5G networks will enable the use of new forms of entertainment such as virtual and augmented reality and will also improve the delivery of existing forms of entertainment such as streaming video and music. Economic growth 5G networks will also improve efficiency and productivity in various industries, which will lead to increased economic growth. Additionally, the deployment of 5G networks will also create jobs in various sectors such as telecommunication, manufacturing, and services. Conclusion 5G wireless technology is a revolutionary advancement that will greatly impact various industries and society. Key features include high speed data, low latency, and improved capacity. These features will enable new services and applications as well as improved efficiency, security, and reliability. 5G is expected to drive economic growth and create new opportunities. It will be the backbone of future communication, bringing a new era of interconnectivity, efficiency, and speed. Thank you.